In this video, we're going to talk about circular motion. And I'm going to start off with a review of speed and velocity. So we talk about speed, we're talking about a scalar quantity. This means that the number only has a magnitude. So for example, you could be going at 60 miles per hour, and that would be a speed. There's no direction, it's just a magnitude. When something is moving in a circle, we can also talk about its velocity. And the velocity is a vector quantity, and it does have a direction. So we would say something like 60 miles per hour north, or we could use a direction, like we could point up and show that that's the direction of the object moving. To calculate the average speed of something going in a circle, we use this equation. So v is the average speed. I know it's v confusing with velocity, but that's what we use. So average speed for first semester, we know is the total distance divided by the time. When you're going in a circle, that would be 2 pi r, which is the circumference, divided by the period. So if we take the circumference divided by the period is the time to make one complete circle. If we do that, we get the average speed. Now let's say that we're moving around this circular path here, and at this point right here, this object that's going a circular path, it could be a car, has a velocity in this direction. So the velocity, the direction of the velocity is whatever direction the object is moving. So let's say it's over here at this point here, and the velocity is going to be in this direction. So the velocity is in the direction that you're moving. Now, let's say that you're driving a car, and then at some point there's a hill. You go up, and then at some point you go down, and there's a dip, and then now you're going back up here. Okay, so let's talk about the velocity, the direction of the velocity. At the top of the hill, it's just going to be the direction that you're moving. So that direction would just be towards the right. Okay, how about over here? So you're kind of moving down this hill here. And so what's the direction of the velocity? Once again, it's just a direction that you're moving. So the velocity is just a direction that you're moving. Well, what if you're at the bottom of this little dip right here? And once again, it's just the direction that you're moving. It's just going to be straight to the right. Okay.